everyone, it's Khushaali here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a soft glittery pink eye look. Start by applying the transition shade into the eyelids. Repeat the same on the other eye. Take the bright pink color from the palette and place it into the crease. Softly blend the color. Now take the darkest shade of pink and pat it in the outer corner of your eye. With the help of a fluffy blending brush, blend the color into the crease to give it more definition. Take glittery pink color on a foam tip eyeshadow brush and slowly place it in the inner corner and take it till the center of your eyelid. Repeat the same steps with your finger. Take the dark pink shade and apply where the transition begins to make the colors look blended together. With the help of the blending brush, blend everything together to soften the harsh lines if any. Apply the highlighter to your brow bone and in the inner corner of your eye. Apply the bright pink shade to your lower lash line. Apply mascara and lipstick and you are done. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.